Counting by Sevens by Holly Goldberg Sloan. Counting by Sevens tells the story of Willow Chance, but I don't want to spoil this book, but I can give you 7 reasons to read it. 1. Oddballs. We all feel like outsiders sometimes, but Willow is a genius who has mastered multiple languages and med school textbooks by the age of 12, and she doesn't easily fit in with the crowd. 2. This book has friendship. It doesn't come easy to Willow, but once she meets Mai, a girl with energy enough to tackle the impossible, she sees Willow for who she truly is. Hobbies is number 3. When tragedy strikes, it's good to have hobbies. It's a simple act of growing sunflowers that helps bring joy back to Willow's life. Number 4, this book has laughing and crying. Despite the tragedy that's in it, this is a beautiful book, the kind you'll be glad to read. Number 5, miracles. The unexpected, silly moments are miraculous, and this is a story with everyday miracles. Number 6, this book has family. The most miraculous thing of all is a loving family. And number 7, this book has Willow Chance, herself whose heart leads her on a path of belonging, a path that is surprising, exhilarating, and without a doubt, one you will never forget. I know I didn't really tell you about this book, but I really need you just to trust me, and if you read this realistic fiction, you will fall in love with Willow Chance, Counting by Sevens.